Hey people, well here's another fan I have to show that I've had for a while but just got around to showing. This is a 1976 Vernco model V11041. It'll be nice to have one of these. As you can see, it's got a 3-wing plastic blade. Yes, 3-wing. There are quite a few of these on YouTube. I would like to find the Sears version with a yellow plastic blade. But this does just nicely. Have an overall look at this and we'll fire it up. Here's one side. It may look pure gray on camera, but actually it's what some may consider a champagne color. It's kind of a tannish gray. Here's the other side. Turn around to the back. Here's the motor. You can't see it very well because it's dark in color. Although the tag on the motor may say Vernco, I'm pretty sure this motor was made by Emerson because Emerson owned Vernco at the time. It was probably sometime in the 60s or maybe 70s that Emerson bought out Vernco, or Vernco became a division of Emerson. Something like that. It does seem to have a date code on there and it says C76, so I believe this is from March of 1976. Turn that back around. There's the top. It's not the original handle. As you can see from these holes, these would have a cheap strap handle. But it must have broken sometime in this fan's life. Some of these had like a light blue cabinet. Yeah, but mine has this champagne color, as I mentioned. Here's the control knob and has this ring for the speeds. Like my Sanyo desk fan, this 3-speed models were known as tri-speed. Now we'll give this a run. Oh, and to note, while high still runs like high, the other two speeds run really low. So instead of high, medium, low, you have like high, low, and really low. So here's high. Classic deep 3-wing blade front, is what we call it. Still using a good amount of there. Down to medium. Which is probably what low would normally be. And down to low. Which, as you can tell, is really low. got really good coast down time too. And there you have it. It's my 1976 Vernco model V11041 20-inch box fan. Thank you for watching.